Welcome to this video on the top 5 most venomous snakes in the world. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at these fascinating and deadly creatures. Note that the order of the snakes may differ between sources. These snakes are fascinating creatures, but they should be treated with caution and respect. At number 5, we have the black mamba. This snake is found in Africa and is known for its speed. Its venom can cause rapid onset of symptoms, including difficulty in breathing, paralysis, and death. In fourth place, we have the king cobra. This snake is found in Southeast Asia and India and is the longest venomous snake in the world. Its venom can cause paralysis, heart failure, and death. The third snake on our list is the coastal Taipan. This snake is found in Australia and New Guinea and is known for its aggressive nature. Its venom can cause severe internal bleeding and organ damage. At number 2 is the eastern brown snake, also known as the common brown snake. This snake is also native to Australia and is responsible for more deaths in the country than any other snake. Its venom can cause paralysis, bleeding, and heart failure. So here comes the number 1. The number 1 on our list is the inland Taipan, also known as the fierce snake or small-scaled snake. This snake is native to Australia and is considered to be the most venomous snake in the world. The venom of the inland Taipan is extremely potent and is rated as the most toxic of all snake venoms in LD50 tests on mice. So these are the top 5 most venomous snakes in the world. Thanks for watching.